Yo, what is up guys? It's me, Nick TV, and for today's video, it's unboxing time. Ingay na manok. So, for today's video, we are going to unbox this newly arrived package. So, this is a welding machine here, and I hope this is legit. So, without further ado, let's go. Mhm. Okay. First, the bubble wrap. Then, secured with a box. The bubble wrap is okay na. And the main fruit. All right. Boom, 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 boom. So, ta-da! First, what's this? Inverter welder, an instruction manual. So, the manual. Then, the next one is, what's this? I do not know what is this, but let's put it here. The product name, certificate, and what is this? I think it's the handle on the so-called anti-frog. Oh, what do you call this? Steel brush. And then there you go, the connectors. Alright, the ground and the weld. Oh, so strong. Well, the wire is thick and it's good. So, the main is the welding. Well, it's too small. Oh, what the fuck? It's bended like what? How am I supposed to look into this? You will put it here, and then after putting it there, you're gonna press. What? Like that? Like that? Okay. Okay, let's put this one. I think it's it's cracked. So sad, it's cracked. But you can't do about it. As you can see, it's cracked. Oh shit. But oh shish. You have to put it there, and you're gonna pinch. Oh, they also have free welding rod. What do we call this? But it's a little bit degraded. As you can see, the tip or the holder is worn out, turned out. Oh, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 freebies, and unfortunately our this so-called I do not know what do we call this, but it's already damaged, so we can't do anything about it. But okay, let's proceed to the main product. So this is the main product. So So the MIG, the MMA 950. Here's the selector. The ventilation is good. I hope this thing would last, and if not, it's okay. The positive and the negative. So that's all for today's video. For more update, stay tuned. Ta-da!